dedicated to Amun and Queen Hatshepsut. This queen ruled for over 20 years starting in 1478 BC. As you can see, the left side of this temple was destroyed. They were unable to reconstruct it back to the way it was. The colors are still very well preserved. The brown block is called sandalwood. The spot you see him touching is where the sandalwood is supposed to be. And each block has a piece of wood attached to the next block. Listen closely as my tour guide explains what some of the hieroglyphics say.
And why ladders? Because the tide of the sea much higher than the tide of the river, so that their entrance, they want to avoid the tide, so they made it a higher little bit.
I see.
Also, the fishes like turtles and other kind of fish, this like a sea fish, not a river Nile fish. In the river Nile we just have like 2 3 behind that one there is a donkey, and the donkey that's, and in front of the white piece there is a fatty lady, and that her name is Atia. Atia does mean what a pity what that donkey is. Long legs like giraffes, balls underneath, balls and cows in the trees, and this is a goods they brought from Bond land.
We have reached the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later.